Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. First of all, open the settings, then mark General Management and click on Reset. Here select the Reset Settings option, and now if you really want to go back to default setup on your tablet, just mark Reset Settings. Then confirm, just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you have to be sure that you want to perform it, and if you are, mark Reset and wait till it's done. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.